Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. I want to show you a brand new line we just started carrying. It is the Flagstaff. Beautiful decorations, great layout, great colors, great tones here. Nice large countertop here in the kitchen, triple burner stove. Large, extra large dinette here. This is a bunk model. Sleep 2 to 4 people here. We have a refrigerator. Then our rear bathroom. Nice and large rear bath with a separate entrance. Nice flat screen TV. Of course, we've got the USB chargers for your cell phones. Alright, so this is the 27 BESS. It's an automatic awning, outside entertainment. It is a super light. It is solar ready, which is really nice if you are into dry camping or boondocking. You want to install a couple of solar panels. Really great feature. So if you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 863-623-4689. We're more than glad to answer any questions you have about this or any other RV on our lot. Thanks so much and have a nice day.